What is up, guys? Mike with Smooth Vapes here. Today, ordinarily I'd be doing a review. I'm not doing a review today. Actually, I want to talk about something. I get a lot of customers asking me about mech mods. I get a lot of people saying, oh, well, they're just dangerous and they blow up in your hands. The statement can be true. It has, I know a person personally that it has happened to. But, let me talk about why this happens. Either battery safety, people aren't aware of what amp their battery is versus what they should be running. Ohm's law, they're running too low of ohms, it's overdrawing their battery, causing either a short or the battery to overheat and explode, or inconsistent coil building. One wrapped higher than the other, using different gauges on either coil. So, this is why when you purchase a mech mod, usually people give you the warning about it. For those of you out there that use mech mods in competitions, everything else, you are already familiar with this. This is mainly pointing towards the people that aren't familiar with it. There's upsides to mech mods. You don't get the drop like you would through a chip. So it's just a pure battery to RDA coil vape. They're very durable. You can drop it in water, take it apart, clean it, put it back together, still works fine. Do that with a chip mod, you're frying the chip buying a new mod. So, cost effective, mech mods are nice. Now, another myth that we're going to debunk here. You can't run a tank with a mech mod. This is impartially true. I use tanks on my mechs. I use the mouse tank. It has a 510 protruding pin. Very safe for a mech mod. I use a Crown 2 tank, 510 protruding pin, safe for a hybrid mech mod. Also, if you're not running hybrid, you could be running the spring cap. Tanks are safe again. So, I'll pull one or two of my mech mods here just to show you what I'm talking about as far as 510 protruding pins. We'll pull this one in particular. Okay. This one's an Able Timekeeper. Now this one has a safety on the button. You unthread the button a little bit. And there's your button. You thread it back in. See? Safety. You can't push the button in. This one here, 3-post. And this is what I'm talking about, the 510 protruding pin. See how that protrudes? That pin right there on the bottom? Sticking out. That's a 510 protruding pin. This is a hybrid style mech mod. It goes right to the battery. There's no springs, no connections, no nothing. That's a hybrid style. I don't know if I have any non-hybrid style mechs here. Let me look to see once. Nope, every one I have here is a hybrid style. That's pretty much what all mech mods are anymore. Some of them come with the top caps for the regular spring pins. But yeah, mech mods, they're safe and unsafe at the same time. They're safe in the right hands. If somebody knows what they're doing, mech mods are safe as can be. I personally like running a mech mod, whatnot. Those are just tubes. Now, I'm not getting into the boxes, series, parallel, blah, blah, blah. I'm just talking tube mods, just because I hear everybody say about it. So debunk it. They are safe if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, stay away from them. Just stick with a regulated mod, something that you're not going to blow your hand apart with. So, that's what I have for you today. I know it's an inconsistent video with all my other reviews and everything, but I wanted to debunk a few myths about mechs. Anyway, this is Mike with Smooth Vapes. You guys have a wonderful night, and I will see you in my next video.